Hi there. This foot valve is in a lock position right now. When I go to the dispenser, the token will release the foot valve for 1 minute. To start with, put the switch in the upward position for 1. Push the green button, light comes on, drop the token in. It's now counting down 1 minute you have to flip open the lid and put in the hose. In 30 seconds, you'll hear beep, beep, beep. That's a reminder you only have 30 seconds left to get the hose in. There. The lid can still be flipped up, but once it runs out, time runs out, this will go into lock position. We'll just wait till we... It's now locked. You cannot go in. That's it.